Hi guys, welcome back to my channel 50s and Fabulous. In this video, I will be talking about 10 lifestyle tips to stay looking young at any age. I'll jump right into it. Number 1, sleep. Look at your sleep routine and pattern. Consider a 15-minute pre-sleep routine, which would include removing all electronics from the bedroom. You really need to stop watching or avoid watching TV or looking at your laptop, your tablet, or smartphone screens before bedtime. Otherwise, your brain is triggered to stay awake. You could look at replacing these with curling up with a book, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath. And ensure you do this routine every night around the same time for consistency. I'm not saying that this would be easy, but if you want to slow the aging process down, then please consider this. Number 2, wear sunscreen. Science says that the condition of your skin has a big impact on how old people actually think you are. So try and keep wrinkles and sunspots at bay by wearing sunscreen. Also use moisturizer, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Drink plenty of water. And don't forget to apply sunscreen to your neck and hands, as they can wrinkle and show your actual age faster than your face sometimes. Number 3, limit your caffeine intake. I know a lot of you love coffee, but it also causes damage to your skin. And if you are already someone that's battling skin issues or dry skin, it can make it worse. It is better to have a well-rounded, balanced diet with plenty of water if you want to have healthy, glowing skin or slowing the aging process down. And if you cannot give up try and reduce your intake. Number 4, stay hydrated. Our body is 70% water. And if you want to reduce things like fatigue and improve your maximum heart rate, your physical performance, then consider drinking more water. Staying hydrated improves your mood, reduce fatigue, confusion, and sleepiness. And reducing these can also increase your calmness and emotions. Other studies indicate that improves your brain power. So drinking a lot of water while you're doing certain cognitive skills, it improves performance, and this is at any age. It also helps to improve your skin cells, which in turn will help to maintain brightness, volume, and repair your skin over time. This makes it one of the best ways of having young looking skin. Number 5, say no sometimes. My best anti-aging tip is the ability to say no or hell no. Don't get me wrong, it's not easy. I am still learning to do this myself. As women, a lot of us are inherently people pleasers. We tend to put everyone else's needs above our own. We have the tendency to run ourselves ragged by saying yes to every single thing, whether it's to our careers, our family, or spouses. But it is actually okay to say no. It's okay to even cancel plans. It's okay to put yourself first. We have to accept that you can't always make everyone else happy. I promise you, your anxiety will lower when you take a break from people pleasing. Number 6, hiking. Science says hiking has a powerful anti-aging effect because it requires balance, movement, vision, decision making, all the necessary cognitive activities that occur while you are working your legs, your lungs, and your heart. Number 7, exercise regularly. As you age, it is important to stay physically active to maintain good health. Regular exercise can help you to maintain your strength and flexibility and prevent health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Exercise can also contribute to better quality of improved mental clarity and alertness and help you to stay socially active. Physical activity can also help to reduce anxiety and depression, help you maintain mobility, build strength and balance, even help to prevent falls. With regular exercise, your body will remain strong, flexible, and resilient. Number 8, use olive oil. Whatever you're using, whether you're using it to make homemade dressings or bake, olive oil is likely one of your kitchen staples. It has its many uses, which you are already aware of. But did you know that it is a powerful anti-wrinkle fighter? Olive oil is healthy and can help to keep the skin from free radical damage, especially if teamed with omega-3s. The antioxidant found in olives may also help to reduce skin damage that can lead to wrinkles and blemishes. Number 9, minimize your stress levels. It's not worth it. Stress eats away our minds just as it eats away at the body. So keep your stress levels down. Too much stress will kill brain cells and eventually it will reduce the size of your brain. Chronic stress will shrink your prefrontal cortex, which is a part of your brain necessary for memory, and so learn to keep your stress levels down. These are a few simple things you can do to reduce stress levels on a daily basis. Avoid consuming too much caffeine, which we've mentioned before. Take a deep breath. Maintain a good diet. To put it simply, stress is not worth it. It will make you feel and look older than you actually are and will likely consume the parts of your life. Take a breath, think about all that you have to be grateful for, and take a break if you need it. Number 10, be confident. It is important to be confident and accept your age. There is nothing that is going to completely reverse the signs of aging, but you should be proud of the success that you have achieved so far in helping to make yourself look younger. The more confident you are in yourself and your achievements, the more that will show through the inside out. Beauty is not just skin deep. If you are struggling with confidence, then try switching things up a bit. Maybe go for a trip or try something new, or even try out a new look. Talk to your partner, family, and friends, and this might help to actually boost your confidence and reassure you about your looks. If you cannot seem to find your confidence and really feel uncomfortable with how your body is aging, it may be time to consider cosmetic treatments. We all deserve to feel confident and to love our bodies. Lastly, if you feel like you've tried everything and nothing is working, then perhaps it's worth speaking to a professional to perhaps look at ways to how you can improve or to help you to feel younger. There are lots more things that you can do, guys, to slow the aging process down. This is just a few of many. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, put your post notifications on. See you in the next video.